Welcome to the supplemental video for the paper Immersive Analytics of Large Dynamic Networks via Overview and Detailed Navigation. In this video, we will give a quick overview of the features of the system, including the network visual representation, interaction and navigation techniques. Some of the footage is taken from the case study to show the real use case scenario of the system. This is the overview perspective. From here, the users can have a broad look on the whole graph. In this perspective, users can only move around the edges of the convex hull embracing the graph. This is done by using the D-pad on the controller. To interact with vertices, the user can use the controller as a laser pointer. Once the ray cast from the controller lands on a node or edge, a label appears with the details of the currently selected element. The system also offers the detailed perspective. To access it, the user has to click on a node, and then exploration continues from its point of view. In this perspective, users explore the environment using free-flying controls. With the D-pad, it is possible to freely explore the environment relatively to the user's viewing vector, which is defined by the user's head movements. In the lower left corner of the screen, you can see how the real-life movements are translated to the virtual environment. Node selection also works in this perspective, and by targeting one, is it possible to quickly fly towards it. To get back to the overview perspective, the user has to click on the green arrow that is always in the view. Our system supports the visualization of dynamic graphs. It can be accessed by pushing the side button of the controller and then using the D-pad to move through the frames. Graph elements fade in and out of the view depending on the network changes. This function can be accessed from any perspective. Exploration can then continue on any of the frames of the graph. Please refer to the paper for a more detailed description of all the perspectives and features of the system. Thank you for watching.